Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you what to do when your Cash App pin change fails on your device. Let's get started. At first, open your Cash App on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your phone number or email and tap next to sign in. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account page. Next, scroll down and tap on support. It's right next to the question mark icon. Now choose start a chat to connect directly with Cash App support. In the chat box, type I want to reset a forgotten cash pin. If the bot sends you a generic link, don't worry. Just revert it to I forgot my cash pin to be connected to a real support agent. Once a live agent joins the conversation, explain your issue clearly. They may ask for a few details to verify your identity, like your full name, associated phone or email, last four digits of your card, or your zip codes. After verification, the support will help you reset your PIN and you will be asked to enter a new one. And that's it. If this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.